Okay, this is how to make the curve wall in SketchUp for the beginner. And first of all, we can make the line in here to make the straight line, and we can place to the position in here with any size and any length of it. And we can select the 2-point arc in here, and we can select any position of edge and the second destination of edge in here. Okay, now we can type 64S and enter on our keyboard, and just place the half circle in here. Click. Okay, then now we can click and right click and erase this one to clear. And now we can make a little curve in here and just click with any size or any position on the position. For example, okay, we can make this one. Then we can place, we can select the 2-point arc in here and just make, okay, we can just make this one and erase some unnecessary line and erase some unnecessary line in here. Okay, then now we can triple click this one, and we can select the offset tool and click the edge and type 150 millimeter and enter, and select the line and just close for every single unfinished line in here. Okay, then now we can have the surfaces, 2D surfaces of the wall in here. Then we can select the push pull and push it up around 4 meter, or it's depend on your wall height in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click and make group. And now we can select the materials here, and now we can select the wall materials in here. For the example, or we can just select this wall in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and or maybe we can make the another color on the top in here. You can click and just you can click the surface and just click the assign the dark material in here. Okay, thank you for watching.